Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is the third lecture of grade 5 and I am your science teacher Sidra Zafar. In the previous lecture we studied about the germination. In the germination we observed the different stages like the swelling of the seed, the crack of the seed coat, the growth of the embryo in the two parts, root and the shoot, and final stage was the growth of the leaves. And the whole procedure of the germination follows these 5 steps: absorption of water, splitting of seed coat, growth of root, growth of shoot, growth of tiny leaves. Now it's a time for an activity at home. If the seeds are given adequate water, warmth and appropriate potting medium, will they germinate in the same time and in the same size? Let's see and do some activity. Take some seeds of your own choice. Keep them into the jars filled with soil. Observe the germination of these seeds and fill the following sheet. Here is a worksheet. Listen students, be attentive. You will have to copy this worksheet on a chart and complete this worksheet. I read it for you. Today, you will have to mention the date of the day we planted kind of seeds. Here you will have to mention the seeds, the type of the seeds which you selected. It should take number of days for the seed to germinate. The plant should have a rate of growth equal to, indicate the rate of growth in inches or centimeters. My seed germinated after dash days, the duration of the germination. And in this column, you can see that there is a gap of 3 days, day 1, day 4, and after 3 days, day 7, day 10, and so on. In these days, you will have to mention the stage of the seed or the plant which you observed. If you observe nothing, then mention here no observations. Okay, this is the worksheet. Kindly fill it. And in this situation, you will observe these stages. Okay, look, the seed, growth of the swelling of the seed, growth of the embryo into the two parts, and finally the growth of the plant, and the seed becomes a complete plant. And in your learning activity you will observe all these stages. In the next lecture we will study what do plants need to grow. Okay, thank you so much students.